When recovering from an injury or a medical condition, there is no better place to do so than your own home, right? Here to tell us what Home Rehab Express can do for you or maybe a loved one is Joanne Ellis once again with Home Rehab Express. And joining her this morning is Dr. Joseph Magnan, a vascular surgeon and vein expert with vein specialists with offices in both Fort Myers and Bonita Springs. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm excited to chat about what we're going to talk about this morning because I haven't really talked a lot about this, so I know a lot of women are going to be interested in this as well. But Joanne, first, I know you work with a lot of different doctors in the area, but tell us first what a little bit is that you guys do, what your team does.
Sure. My team is Home Rehab Express. We are a home health company. We service patients through nursing and physical therapy in their own homes. So if the patient is unable to get to the doctor's office for more visits than they would need, be able to, then we're able to send a nurse right to their home.
What a blessing, and most of it's covered by insurance, which is, it's a huge deal, so it's awesome. All right, so let's talk about, Doctor, varicose veins, because I think that's when you hear vein specialist, that's what people think of.
They do.
But actually, that's not technically the disease that we are going to be talking about. It's kind of the umbrella. How do you explain?
Right. I mean, varicose veins is the most recognizable symptom or sign of venous insufficiency, but it's venous insufficiency that is the diagnosis, and consider that an umbrella under which there are patients with spider veins or varicose veins or swollen legs. And then more advanced patients that Joanne and I work with stasis dermatitis or skin discoloration. Open wounds that have difficulty healing even after I do my procedure. They need some help with wound care. Bleeding veins. That you think veins don't bleed outside the body, but they do.
So what causes this? Is this, I mean, my first thought was hereditary, because I always feel like if mom has it, then daughters have it.
You're right on the mark. I mean, it's primarily a genetically driven disease.
Do men get it?
Men do get it. So it's not it's not just a pregnancy thing. There are certain exacerbating factors like advanced age, pregnancies, the female gender because of the progesterone hormone, standing occupations, morbid obesity. So those are what I call exacerbating factors, but the main risk factor is genetics.
Well, and what's most fascinating about this, and we have to kind of wrap up here, but the treatment option has just recently changed to some really exciting stuff that you can now do in the office, very different than what was done, 10, 15 years ago.
Absolutely.
So you're going to come back and talk to us a little bit about that, so I know viewers are going to be very interested in that. But if somebody has any questions before then, what would you have them do about what his office does or what your team does?
I would ask the patient to request from their doctor to order them Home Rehab Express for home health care. Our telephone number is up on the screen.
Up on the screen now?
541-5354. Or go to our website, homerehabexpress.com.
Easy enough. Well, thank you both so much. And again, we really look forward to having you back and hearing how we can treat this. So thank you. And of course, for more info, just head to our website, foxformorningblend.com.